Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
What I will comment on is that right now, as it stands in the Jamaican economy, the economy is struggling. It's probably the worst I've seen in the 30-odd years I've been in business. The buying power is the weakest, and government needs to find ways to catalyze the economy to be able to grow. We tried our best a few years ago, and Jamaica started to see growth. But right now, they've done so many things to stagnate the industry. Interest rates need to come down quickly. The Bank of Jamaica needs to come out of their tunnel vision and start thinking out of the box to manage the economy, because right now, it's in a very stagnant stage, and actually in a dying stage, and it is actually quite frightening what is happening out there. When you speak to business people, people are saying they're seeing anyway.
As one of the best presentations by a finance minister. It was.
Now, my plan for rub out that little dog face boy, that little shit in a plate boy. But before we do that, make me go on some good news. Because Flavor Williams claims them have good news, but the opposition have good news. Look at this. Remember, the Labour right them have nothing. For the poor, for the lower class, for the content creators them. But look at this now, people. Opposition promised 1 billion. Listen, you know. Opposition promised 1 billion. You see? Funded to support local content creators. So, the opposition are planning to help content creators to become bigger on a global scale. So, Andrew Wallace never have no plans for no. Them a plan for take on a TikTok from on a YouTube and all of that. Them a plan for digitalize on a whole something there. On a whole social media thing where if you don't have a social media number, you can't go on social media. That's what Andrew Wallace had planned to do. While Mark Golding a plan for uplift the content creators them, the local content creators them, the people in Jamaica where they do YouTube, where they do TikTok and all of that. So all I know where they do TikTok, good news for Huno. All I know where they fight against Mark Golding, this is a good news for Huno. Remember that. This is such a good news for Uno, because Mark Golding and the PNP are going to help Uno. We even now make no money on TikTok, they're going to help Uno to start make money. So they're going to spend $1 billion to fund support of local content creators. So you get to yourself prepared. Alright? Remember, Flavor have done this in them budget. And a good thing say, Mark Golding didn't talk this before because they want on TV too. Because everything what they talk in the budget presentation and TV, but they don't know what they do, so they talk it back and front. Anyway, make we talk about the John Crow, what we left a front type video. This brother now they celebrate Flavor Williams disrespecting the Jamaican people. This idiot I celebrate Flavor Williams and Andrew Wallace embarrass the Jamaican people. This is one of the biggest disrespects any government could have ever give to any of his people. Where them are tell you in your face, say, listen, on our hungry belly. So we are going to add on $2,000 more pound of pay. Something I never get yet. Something I never did I get. So what you want £2,000 pound of pay? Something I never did I get. I want ban in the belly. And when you not ban in the belly, you not save up the $2,000 a month. And within 3 years time, you can go buy one toy car. One toy Pro Box. Or one bicycle, because that can buy donkey me a year. Me a a change $1,000 for donkey. So, I want to ask you a question. Isn't it that a disrespect to all of the people of Jamaica? Including only labor rank. Eh? And a disrespect, that woman is disrespect, you know. And due to how the budget presentation is stupid and fool, you have the House Speaker, which is the Prime Minister's wife, I tell the Finance Minister, if you sit down and drink some water. Drink some water, I can't hear you. Drink some water, I can't hear you. Drink some water, another disrespect. So, if you can't see these people are just so respectful towards, the people of Jamaica, me don't know what else you need to see. Because remember, last year these jackass walk out of Parliament same way, walk out after Mark Golding bring up a concern about the illicit 6, now illicit 8. Them walk out and cuss off Mark Golding and the people of Jamaica. I want to still support the junk of them, especially a big old sodomite, they were then call them Heveral Warmington, turn back like a some big old girl jawing in red jars, and a chase. I want to support those junk. You look a racist Batman. I want to support them. Eh? And now then come back and tell them, say, them a fling $2,000 on your face, I want to go vote for them. I want to save up $2,000 every month. And 3 years time, one must go make car dealership kill you. Go down a car dealership, go give them the money what you have. It's $72,000. I make them kill you. One not see on an idiot, not see on a jackass. Everything where these people say to you, run and jump about it. Like on no sense. You need to stop it, bro. You need to stop it. That's why the country can't come no better, because them find out say, well, on an idiot. Well, on a labor right, an idiot. I even can't wake up and hook me up on a year, I not stop calling an idiot because I'm a jackass, bro. I want to make the country so fucking hard. I'm sick and tired of brother. I want to make this country can't come no better, brother. I'm sick and tired of drunk right now, man. Yo, me say, yo, I truly not even know, bro. Yo, me say, if someone we did know, brother, we know don't go find one little corner and sit down in a brother. We don't need to leg off a country, brother, and make the country build up back, brother. When there's a national disgrace, when there's shit in a plate, bro. When you leg off a country, bro, make the country build up back, brother. Give me back with country, make we fix back with country, no mash up the country in a recession, bro. I wanna behave as if the country in a recession. When a junk crown, you can't even read and write. I wanna depend internet every day. I fuck around, brother, and the beat boots up the people that fit to be a fucker in a country, bro. When I need to go away, bro. That me I telling it, bro. You hear that? Anyway, video get too long, so I just cut it right so, but me have more to say. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to say it because I'm not talking, brother. Because I'm happy. Open up the real people in my eye. I make it blind one them going in a hole with the junk of them. Because all of them are going in a hole. Remember that. The whole of them are going to sink in a one hole. A drunk of them, bro. Remember that, bro. Me said they go sink. Just look. When Mark Golding win, all of them are going to sink and go in a one hole. Sink, so. Because they now can't stand the pressure, they now can't stand the heat. They might go in a hole, brother. A drunk of them. Remember that, brother. Bombard star. I can't believe say these people are disrespect us right in front of our face. I want to take it just like that and I celebrate it. Disrespect, brother. I want to go, man, and I shit house, man.
You see that woman here in a politics, I must say over one of them Caribbean country, them I always look up to she, you see me. But you will never hear Andrew when he say anything like this because him busy as suck out the US batty hole. So him can never turn around and stand up for the Cuban doctors them. We help aid enough Jamaican back them eyesight Cause enough of them missy come out here enough time. And to Trump, I put the new ban pan them and I say him don't want them over anybody we do business with Cuba, especially with the doctor them also. Him a go ban them. And these people from these different countries I tell the government, Trump say, yo, bad man, these Cuban people more willing for push out. If you don't want back on a visa, you can take back on a visa. But Andrew Onis will never stand up for him neighbor where they next door. Andrew Onis should have been the first drunk blood clot. Come like me, I go through a blame them moment to blood clot a while ago. Yeah, but Andrew Onis should have been the first blood clot drunk if he did make a speech like this. But them man they not on a backbone. Them man they not have nothing inside of him. And that me have to tell.
Today I want to talk to you about the importance of getting enumerated. Now, imagine looking around your constituency, your community, and identifying things that you want changed, but you don't have a say in making those changes. If you get registered to vote today or before March 31st, you'll become eligible to vote by May 31st. So I want to implore you to get on the voters list, get registered so that you can have a meaningful say in the changes that are effected in your constituency.
Jamaica, time coming up. Time come, the date has finally announced. Everybody come vote for Mark Golding. Because fold your fist, wave your hand, because walk around district and
in solidarity with your leader, Comrade Mark. Time come. Time come. Time come for the PNP.
Me I practice my ex. Cause I want to make sure say my part don't spoil this election day. Long time them labor right there for gone, you know. Them two uncaring, man. Make sure say my mark the ex right there, so. Cause I don't want the ballot spoil. See that ex, yeah? For the teacher, them wanna get them pay. You see that ex, yeah? And for the people them want dead pan hospital bench cause they never have no bed. You see that ex, yeah? And for the police them want work overtime and can't get them overtime pay. Yeah, man. See how that ex, yeah? And for the big salary what the politician them give themselves, and I can't give little salary to the people them. That ex right now, yeah. For the nurse them. The nurse them. Or if you're working long hours and can't get no pay, if you go out foreign if you try to survive. You see, oh man, that ex, yeah? This is because that time they take the bulldozer and mash up the house them out of Clifton. You see that ex, yeah? And the arrogance and the dictatorship where they try to run the country under. You see one there right there, so I feel all of the disrespect what they want to come give Jamaican. I make sure I say me mark my ex properly. Time come for a change. Time come for a better Jamaica.